Welcome back. A lot of volatility on Wall Street this past week. Markets a little jittery. Of course, wild swings here and abroad in the face of a lot of concerns. And amid these jitters, the World Economic Forum ranked the U.S. economy the most competitive for the first time since 2008. How are CEOs feeling and what are they seeing in terms of confidence levels out there? We're going to talk about that right now with Tim Ryan. He is the U.S. chairman and senior partner at PwC. And Tim, it is great to have you on the program.
Thanks, Maria. It's great to be here.
Thank you so much for joining us. So what are you seeing? I mean, we get this economic data on the corporate level, and the earnings season has been very strong, up 20% year over year is what we're expecting. You speak to a lot of CEOs all the time, right? How often?
It's funny, Maria, regardless of sector within the U.S., CEOs we talk to, they do worry about things like trade, they do worry about geopolitics, they worry about volatility in markets, but they're confident in their business. They build confidence in their ability to grow market share. They build confidence in their ability to transform, their ability to drive value to their customers, and they're seeing good results. So it's funny, while we see on the news and we see all these types of things that are happening, confidence level in CEOs is stronger than we've seen ever.
Is that partly because end market demand has come back, or the tax cut plan has really boosted things? To what do you attribute that?
It's a combination of a couple of things. First is they feel good because post-financial crisis, they've gotten really good at adjusting their businesses, so they become more agile, quicker at changing the business models, number one. Number two is the fact is tax reform has helped an awful lot, so it's given them some ammunition to go into the market and invest in their businesses and invest in M&A. They feel good about that. And then the fact is the economy is growing as well, so they get a good market, confidence in their ability to execute, and they have some tools they didn't have before in tax reform.
So what are they seeing in terms of the impact of tax reform? Does it have a long runway? Because this past week, J.P. Morgan came out and said that there's a 60% chance that we're going to see a recession within 2 years. Your thoughts?
Yeah, so without a doubt, tax reform has a runway that's greater than a year. So if we think tax reform benefits are just 2018, I would say that's a mistake. Tax reform benefits, we're going to see benefit businesses for the next several years. It'll certainly help.
Several years. That's important.
Because there's a couple of reasons for that. The investment in M&A and the uptick that we're seeing, a lot of that's being funded by tax reform benefits. The benefits of M&A will benefit a company for many years. So we'll see the residual effect of M&A activity this year and next year benefit 2021 and 22. The second area is companies are investing in their employees and they're investing in technologies. The benefits from those that are derived, the capital's coming from tax reform to do that, but the benefits will benefit businesses in the next several years as well. So we think tax reform that we got this year will help businesses for the next several years.
I also think you have to consider the fact that regulations have changed so much, right? Because initially, in the last 10 years, CEOs were sitting on cash because they didn't know what new regulation was coming down the pike to actually cut into their growth.
Yeah, so what I would tell you is clearly just the tone around business has helped business confidence. The fact that business is viewed as part of the solution as opposed to part of the problem, that's helped confidence. The fact that we are in a flat or decreasing regulatory environment, that's helped allow money to be deployed to other parts of the businesses as well, where you're not spending it on regulation that doesn't necessarily add value.
Tim Ryan, it's great to see you. Thank you so much for joining us. Tim Ryan is the PwC U.S. Chairman and Senior Partner.